Hey guys, I know you guys are going to be wondering, babe, this thing, you've been wearing it. That's because everything that I'm shooting, all the videos that you're seeing with these shirts, is because I shot them the same day. I don't know if you understand. So trying to shoot my Versagel, but I don't have any labels on it, so I just thought it would be nice for me to show you guys how I make labels for my wholesale Versagel jazz. So if that's what you're interested in, if it's something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Look at that view. Okay, so the label sheets that I'll be using are this Avery sheet, and I had this before, so I didn't want to waste money buying another one. And the code is 22853. So I'm just going to go to avery.com and let's see. I'm just going to click this one. I hope my logo is already there and I don't have to start looking for it. So I'm going to add a shape. So let's add this shape. Actually, an outline. Every gallery. I hope I or something good. Or should I use this one? Oh, so.